Hello guys, good morning to you all. You are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the first time. Please don't forget to hit that red button and that subscribe button. Join my family. If you are here before, thank you very much. God bless you. Guys, I just want to make a quick one, a short video. Just want to say a few words to my viewers. I really want to appreciate you all for your love, for your courage. You guys are so amazing. I don't know what I would have done without you guys. You guys are so lovely. I love you guys so much. I love you all. I love you all so much. Thank you guys. Oh my God, I feel very good. Because I have lovely family, because I have you guys, because I have you. Oh God, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for your support, for your love, for your courage. I love you guys so much. I will upload a video, I will have viewers, I will have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 viewers. I will have comments, I will have like. Oh my God, I really love you all so much. And I'm so grateful. Even if I don't have much viewers, I still love you all. I'm very, very grateful because I know that with time more will come. But you all that I have here, I really love you all so much. I love you guys so much. As you can see me, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I love you all so much. Thank you all for staying by me. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all for your love, your courage. I love you guys. You guys are so amazing. Just want to thank you all. And I just want to drop a quick message for you all. Just want to say one or two things to you all, my viewers, my lovers, my amazing family, my YouTube sweet family. Just want to tell you that wherever you are, whatever condition you find yourself, keep on going, keep on pushing. You will get there. If you're in YouTube, your YouTube is not growing, don't worry, keep on pushing. You are going to get there. Keep on pushing. If you're in a marriage, your marriage is not working, keep on pushing. It's going to work by God's grace. If you're in a relationship, keep on pushing. Whatever condition you find yourself, keep on pushing. You will get there. Trust me. Keep on pushing. Don't lose hope on yourself. Don't lose hope on your marriage. Don't lose hope on your relationship. Keep on pushing. Also, we ladies, I want to just advise us. I'm still advising myself. Not all things you see on social media is real. You see some people on social media, they take social media as their home, when they are hitting everything social media. Don't use yourself, don't use other marriage to compare your marriage, don't use other relationship to compare your relationship. Don't use others to compare yourself. You are you, they are there, we are we, and myself, you are yourself. So don't compare me with you. I'm just me, you are you. Don't compare yourself with me, because there are a lot of things you don't know about me. Me too, I don't have to compare myself with you, because there are a lot of things I don't know about you. What I have to say is that we just have to love ourselves, love your neighbor, love your neighbor the way you love yourself, love your relationship, love your marriage. Whatever difficult things you are facing in your life, just put it to God. Trust me, He's going to work it out. God is going to work it out for you. Because I said whatever things we live in God's hands is perfect. God is going to make it perfect for you. You just believe in yourself and believe in your Creator. He's going to do it for you. Maybe others are growing while you are not growing. Keep on going. Keep on going. Do you know what that person passed through before he get to where he are or she? Do you know what they passed through? Do you know the suffer the person passed through before the suffer, the condition, everything? Do you know? Don't say, this person is growing, I'm not growing, this person marriage is perfect, while mine is not perfect, this person relationship is better, while mine is nothing. Why? Do you know the stress? Do you know the suffer? Do you know the condition that person has passed through? Do you know? Do you know the stress the person has passed through? Do you know the suffering the person has passed through just to get to where the person are now? Do you know? There are some kind of times in your life you want to give up, because things will be very bad, things will be very difficult for you. Don't give hope. Keep on going. Never lose hope on yourself. They say when there is life, there is hope. You have life. Why won't you believe in yourself? So many people are in the mortuary. So many people are in the grave. Are they pushing to get to where I am? They are dead. You wake up, you see another morning, you have to be very, very grateful to God. Only that alone, you have to be very, very grateful. You will see somebody yesterday, today you will not see that person again. You will hear that another news, the person is in the mortuary. Why you are alive today? Why won't you be grateful? Why won't you be happy? Even when you don't have nothing, you have to be happy for yourself. You have to be strong for yourself. Keep on pushing, you will get there. You will get there. Just leave everything to God. Even when others think it's not possible, but with God, everything is possible. Nothing is impossible for God not to do. When you believe in God, you leave everything to Him. He's going to do it for you. He's going to do it for you. Always believe in God. Always believe in yourself, guys. I'm going to be having a program which is coming up very soon. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget, hit that red button and subscribe, and hit the bell. Hit that bell, that notification bell. Hit that bell. So whenever we are in a program, this program is coming up very soon. It's going to be live. It's going to be live. It's going to be live. We are going to talk about a lot of things. It's going to be live. We all are going to talk about our opinion, our mind. We are going to be having a lot of different topic, marriage issue, relationship, and all that. Many issues. We are going to be talking about it. So that's why you have to subscribe, so you don't miss it. Join my family, guys. Let's rock together. I love you all so much. Please, guys, never say never. Never give up on yourself. You are so beautiful. You are so handsome. You are so cute. You are so amazing. Don't use yourself to compare to others. You are amazing the way you are. You are good the way you are. You are lovely the way you are. You all are so lovely. Thank you guys for your support. My YouTube family is the best. I love you guys so much for your courage, your support, your love, your everything. I'm so happy. I love you guys so much. Guys, don't forget to hit that red button. So whenever this program is coming up, you will not miss my program. It's coming up very soon. I'm cooking it hot for you guys. You guys are going to enjoy it. It's really hot. I'm preparing, guys. So don't forget, hit that red button. Hit that like button. I trust you all. So if you have not subscribed, please do. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. As you can see, I just make it a short video. It's really short, but my program is going to be we are going to have a lot of time to ourselves. We are going to have a lot of fun. So this one is really short. I just make this one for my family, my YouTube family. Just make this one for my family. I just want to appreciate my family. They are the best. I love you guys so much. I love you all. Promise purity. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys. I have to leave you now. Just want to make it a short one. Thank you. I love you all. Bye. Juice.